Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Seattle, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm here from Tough Deck Builders Seattle, and today we're asking a simple but important question. Can your old deck be repaired, or is it time to replace it? If you're like a lot of homeowners, you might have a deck that's been there for years. Maybe the boards are gray, the railings feel a little loose, and you're not totally sure how safe it really is. You might be wondering if a few quick fixes will do the job, or if you're better off starting over. Let's talk about some warning signs. If you see posts that are rotting at the base, beams that are sagging, or joists that feel soft when you press a screwdriver into them, those are serious clues. Wobbly railings, stairs that flex under your feet, and rusted bolts or brackets are more than just cosmetic issues. They can point to deeper structural problems that affect how the deck carries weight. Sometimes the news is better than you think. If the main structure is sound and most of the issues are on the surface, you may be able to replace old boards, upgrade railings, and extend the life of your deck at a reasonable cost. We see this when the original builder used proper footings, good framing, and solid connections, even if the decking itself has seen better days. Other times, repairs just don't make sense. If the framing is undersized, the posts are poorly set, or the deck was never properly attached to the house, you can end up spending good money chasing problems without ever feeling fully confident in the structure. In those situations, a full replacement can actually give you better long-term value and a safer outdoor space. A professional inspection can help you sort this out. At Tough Deck Builders Seattle, we look closely at the framing, the footings, the connections, and the condition of the wood or composite materials. We're checking whether your deck can be safely repaired or whether your money would be better spent on a new, properly built structure. If you're standing on your deck and wondering what you're really standing on, it's time to get answers. You can reach us at 206-202-3943 or visit toughdeckbuildersseattle.com to schedule a visit. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Seattle. If your deck is aging and you're not sure what to do next, we're here to help you make a clear, confident decision.